Indulgence in every cup. Reviews of the top Nespresso coffee makers. Nespresso, renowned for its commitment to delivering high-quality coffee experiences, offers a range of coffee makers that combine innovation with elegance. In this article, we'll explore 5 top-rated Nespresso coffee makers, dissecting their features, pros, and cons to help you find the ideal brewing companion for your daily dose of coffee indulgence. Nespresso VertuoPlus Coffee and Espresso Maker. Pros: Centrifusion technology for optimal coffee extraction. Barcode recognition for automatic brewing adjustments. Versatile with both coffee and espresso options. Adjustable cup sizes for customization. Sleek design with a movable water tank. Cons: limited to using Nespresso branded capsules. Higher price point. Nespresso Essenza Mini Espresso Machine. Pros: ultra compact design suitable for small spaces. Fast 25-second heat-up time for quick brewing. 2 programmable cup sizes for customization. Energy efficient with an eco mode for low energy consumption. Affordable entry point into the Nespresso ecosystem. Cons: limited to using Nespresso branded capsules. Smaller water reservoir. Nespresso Creatista Plus Espresso Machine by Brew. Pros: automatic milk frother with adjustable texture levels. 8 beverage selections for versatility. Fast 3-second heat-up time. Intuitive color display for easy navigation. Sleek design with a stainless steel finish. Cons: limited to Nespresso branded capsules. Smaller water reservoir. Nespresso Latissima Pro Espresso Machine. Pros: integrated milk frother with multiple texture levels. 6 pre-programmed beverage options for convenience. Fast heat-up time for quick brewing. Intuitive touch display for easy operation. Sleek design with a brushed aluminum finish. Cons: limited to Nespresso branded capsules. Higher price point. Nespresso VertuoLine Coffee and Espresso Maker. Pros: Centrifusion technology for optimal brewing results. Barcode recognition for automatic settings adjustment. Versatile with both coffee and espresso options. Adjustable cup sizes for customization. Sleek and modern design. Cons: limited to using Nespresso branded capsules. Some users report occasional capsule compatibility issues. Conclusion: Nespresso coffee makers offer a delightful blend of style and functionality, catering to coffee enthusiasts who appreciate both convenience and quality. Whether you opt for the sophisticated VertuoPlus, the compact Essenza Mini, the versatile Creatista Plus, the feature-rich Latissima Pro, or the modern VertuoLine, each model brings its unique features. To enhance your coffee experience, consider your brewing preferences, desired features, and budget to find the Nespresso coffee maker that aligns perfectly with your pursuit of the perfect cup of coffee.